Okay, in this video, I silkscreen a simple pattern onto the small ceramic tiles. Not the best results, but promising. Let's check it out. Here's the stencil I'll be using. I'm using double-sided tape to keep the tile from moving. The Mako Wonder Glaze is a bit thin, so I'll thicken it up by letting it dry a bit. In my case, a little too dry. No problem. I can rehydrate by adding a few drops of water until it reaches the consistency I'm looking for. A typical hand cream or toothpaste. This is to help prevent bleeding under the stencil. A stiff chisel-shaped brush also helps prevent bleeding when working on hard, non-porous surfaces. But because the tile is beveled, it's all but impossible to prevent bleeding along the edges. Now let's fire them up in the microwave kiln. Here are the final results for the Wonder Glaze, frit powder, and glass line. I accidentally knocked off a lot of the blue frit before firing. Bummer. It's a work in progress. Be sure to stay tuned for future videos on techniques for working with hard surfaces and of course my continued experiments with glass fusing.